What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking very, very nice indeed. Overall this chart is looking super bullish, isn't it? You can see here, obviously zooming out, Verasity with a big run up, big retracement through that bearish period we saw. Another run up here. We've got that cup and handle formation. You can see it quite clearly here. This cup and handle just forming itself up really nicely, as you can see here. I'm continuing to draw it in. We're still drawing it in. We're looking at it here. You can see it here. The cup and handle is in, as you can see. And basically, things looking really good, aren't they? Overall, Verasity looking very bullish indeed, from what we can tell. Obviously throwing the fib retracement tool on here from high to low of the previous move, you can see all these levels have been respected perfectly. We come all the way up to that 5 cent level. We come back and we sweep the lows, going through a bearish consolidation period throughout September. Lots of FUD, lots of nonsense in the market. The A, B, C correction that we saw, along with that overextension, that final little move to the downside with the bullish divergences that we saw. We get the breakout of the descending wedge, and then we come back up to around, what was this, the 4.5 cent level for Verasity. And then basically we just absolutely ripped to all-time highs, didn't we? We come all the way up to 6.7 cents, which was a new all-time high, breaking that previous all-time high wick of around 5.6 cents there. And then since then we have just been consolidating, haven't we? We've come back down here to sweep the previous swing high, resistance as support, which is really bullish, looking something like this, as you can see there. We come up, new all-time high, we come back down. We're kind of ranging, aren't we? Ranging, looking something like this. Obviously if you look at the hourly time frame, it's a bit more apparent. You can see we've formed quite a clean range. We come up here, all-time high, come back down, retest the lows, retest the lows, retest the highs, retest the highs. Currently just chopping it up in a range like this, which we've been doing for a good while here. Basically consolidating, looking bullish, you know, reclaiming a new all-time high and then just consolidating, looking really good for that next move. So overall, Verasity, in our opinion, looking very good. I mean, it's just basically coiling up for a nice little move to the upside in reality, isn't it? You could argue that it's doing something like this potentially, where it is coiling up inside of a little potential pennant like this with a breakout target. And if that was the case, this would be your flagpole. Obviously, you just move that to there, and then you can see your breakout target. It pretty much takes us absolutely bang on up to that 618 target at 10 cents, which is what we said before is our next target if we do break to the upside, because, you know, that's a big psychological target. And it's also our 127 extension there. 10 cents, perfectly aligning with the 127 extension on the Fibonacci targets of the extension of this run that we're looking at here. So you can see here, obviously, fib pulled from high to low. These levels here all being respected really nicely. As you can see, support and resistance all the way up. We come up to a new all-time high, and then we're looking for those fib extensions going into the remainder of the bull run, aren't we? And as you can see, that 127 is our next target. So we'll keep things short and sweet, wrap them up. Things still looking good for Verasity, still consolidating, waiting for that next move. If we roll over here, we do have the previous all-time high support at around 5.6 cents, and the bottom of this potential little flag we're forming here around 5.5-ish cents, sorry, along with the 20 moving average and the 55 here as well. Will probably act as a bit of a catch net if we do start to roll over. And then if we start to break out from here, we've got the all-time high at 6.7 cents, and then we are coming for that 10 cent level at that 127 extension. It's pretty much programmed in at this point, isn't it? It's going to happen pretty damn soon if we do start to break out with alts. So, and as we said, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Verasity is a very achievable price target in our opinion. It's a very good project indeed, low market cap, and you know, it's just waiting for that massive pump really, isn't it, going into alt season? And we do think it's going to perform very well. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, Please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.